Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Ultrasonic cleaner. So here's the lid. We can see that this style actually has a nice black finish to it. We got our power plug, we got our instruction manual, we got our drain hose. That comes with some pipe thread and a barbed fitting. And here is our basket. So this is the important part because this is going to let us know the size of stuff that we can throw in here. So from top to bottom, we're looking at about 4 inches. From side to side, we're looking at about almost 11, about 10 3/4. And front to back, we're looking at about 4 3/4, almost 5 inches. So as far as ultrasonic cleaners go, that is a nice large basket. It's going to be very capable of cleaning out larger objects. And here is the ultrasonic cleaner. That is a very nice looking one. Now, we can't see this is the digital style, so this has push buttons on it. But one of the things I do like about this is we actually have a digital display. So we're going to know what the actual temperature is on the cleaning fluid we put in there. So we got time up, time down, temperature down, on, off, degas, full wave, and semi-wave. So we actually have control over the ultrasonic style that it's using. On the bottom, you can see that little drain right there. So that is going to come out of this valve. It's neat that they put a little cap on there. And then we got a ball valve that will open up and allow the fluid to drain out. We do have carrying handles on the side. It does come with a fuse, power switch, and a port for the power. The basket does have rubber feet on the bottom, so it's not just going to be sitting in the filth that you're going to be cleaning off. And it does sit fairly deep inside that basin. So you're going to make sure you can get everything fully submerged. So we typically use a 50-50 mix of water and simple green. It's just a degreaser, so it'll help to pull the oils off. Whether or not you want to use that is going to be dependent on the type of materials you're going to be cleaning. Check the valve. Valve does open and flow. And it does close off to prevent any leaks. You can see our old ultrasonic cleaner in the background is a little bit smaller. The thing runs like a champ. I wouldn't say anything bad about it, but if you need to clean larger objects, you just got to get a larger tank. So there's a little line in the metal right there. You just want to fill it up to that line and drop the basket in. So while I'm taking apart what needs to be cleaned, we can go ahead and turn this guy on, get it started to heat up. It's got a little beep to it. We can see right now it is set to 79 degrees. It is currently 33 degrees, and it has a default of 27 minutes. So that is going to be for the ultrasonic cleaning. I want to set that. It's actually kind of nice you can go up that high. Most of these things, they only go up to about 50. So that's pretty cool. We'll turn that on. You'll see the blue light lit up, and it is currently heating up. So you can see what I typically clean with these. We got a bunch of spray bar nozzles, and these are fairly filthy. Drop that in. It's been about 5 minutes. We've raised about 10 degrees. I'm just going to turn this guy on to full wave, and it should heat up while it is cleaning. Okay, so we have completed a cycle. I got up to 80 degrees in about 18 minutes after we started it, so it did take it a while, but the thing is, this actually shows us the temperature, whereas with this old analog one, you don't get to see that. Now, most of the time, I don't like the digital ones just because you have to go there and hit the button a whole bunch of times. But with this one, when you turn it on, it's already pretty much set, ready to go. I'm actually curious if we turn this guy off. If we turn it back on, what the defaults are. Oh, okay, so it goes right back to where it was. So if we have one setting that will run over and over, it's just going to stay right there. So that's awesome. This is actually a fairly advanced ultrasonic cleaner then. Most of the time it starts at 0 minutes. You have to sit here and hit the button over and over and over to get where you want it. This one ain't a problem. So that's nice. All right, so we've got some heat. Get these handles up without burning my fingies. Wow, look at that. So that is considerably cleaner, and that is just after one cycle. Most of the time I run these things through 2 cycles. This looks like it's pretty much usable right now. You can't see there's little stuff on there, but even just like a small rub, and that comes right off. So I just wipe this off with a rag, it's ready to go. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to rinse these off, give them a little quick wipe, throw them on, and see how they operate. And we got good fans. So yeah, overall, that is one of the nicest ultrasonic cleaners I've seen to date. I'm very happy with that.